We're live, ladies and gentlemen. This is the whole reason why I come to Stockholm, Sweden, to see this warship. Awesome. You wouldn't believe the detail on this thing. I'll do the whole walkthrough. Wow, look at these cannons. How many cannon markers it had. I think it sunk on its first voyage. That's why it's, I think Keenan said like 90% put together. Look at that. Each one had a cannon in it. So cool. Here's what it looked like, the model when it was all together. So cool. Pretty much intact. I like the back of it. That's where some really good detail is. I'll show you that in the next video. Here it is in color though.